Welcome to IAC. Today we are going to discuss banking vision. Take first question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So here the given one is 617, 829, 876, 384, 732. If in the positions of first and third numbers are interchanged. Now we are going to interchange first and third numbers. First take your given sequence. Here they given 617. Next one is 829, 876, 384. Next one is 732. Here the given is the positions of first and third are interchange. So first and third are interchange means new sequence is 716, 928. Next one 678. Next one 483. Next one is 237. Now question is which of the following will be the third highest number? Friends, take your first highest number is here 928. Second highest number is 716. Third highest number is here 678. So 678 means the answer is for 876. 876 means your answer is option C. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So take your given question. If in each element all the three digits are arranged in the descending order within the number end. So within the number all digits are arranged in descending order. Descending order means here high to low. So take your highest number 761. Next one here 982. Next one here 876. Next one is 843. Next one is 732. Now question is which of the following will be the second lowest number? Friends, take care, our requirement is second lowest number. Here first lowest number is here 732. Next second lowest number is what? 761. So here 761 means then answer is what? 617. So 617 means your answer is option A. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So take care given question. If in each number of the first two digits are replaced by their summand. So first two digits, these two are replaced by their sum. 6 plus 1 is here 7, that means here remaining is 7. 8 plus 2 is here 10, now 10, next 9. 8 plus 7 is different is 15, this one is here 6. 3 plus 8, 11, 4. 7 plus 3, 10, this one is here 2. Then question is which number will be the largest? So largest number is what? Here 156 and 156. So 156 is the largest number mean then answer is for 876. That means your answer is option D. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So take your given question. If 1 is added to the first digit of each of the numbers and. So friends, here in each and every number first digit we are going to add 1. So 6 plus 1 here 7. Next 8 plus 1 here 9. 8 plus 1 9. 3 plus 1 4. 7 plus 1 here 8. So for first digit we are going to add 1. Then question is in how many number thus formed will be the first digit be perfect square. So in how many numbers here first digit is a perfect square. 7 it is not a perfect square. 9 3 square perfect square. This one also perfect square. 4 2 square perfect square. It is not a perfect square. That means here 3 numbers. So having the first digit is a perfect square. So answer is 3. Option D is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. Take next question here. If 1 is added to the smallest even number and 1 is subtracted from the highest odd number. So friends, take a smallest even number. Smallest even number is here 384. For 384, for smallest even number, we are going to add 1. That means here 385. Next one is 1 is subtracted from the highest odd number. Highest odd number is 829. 1 is subtracted. That means here 828. Next question is, if the second digit of the lower number formed. So here what are the numbers formed here? 385 and 828. So lower number is what here? 385. So if the second digit of the lower number, second digit of lower number is what here? 8. Next is subtracted from the second digit of higher number. So in these two, this is the lower number, this is the higher number. So in the higher number, second digit. Higher number, second digit is what here? 2. So difference between 8 and 2. 8 minus 2 is what? 6. So answer is not there. And simple answer is none of these. Option E is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. There are 6 people in a 3 generations family in which 2 are married couples. So friends, total here we are having 6 people and next out of 6 people here we are having 2 married couples, but here they given 3 generations and now leave it. Take first point. D is the spouse of F. So friends, here they given D is the spouse of F and spouse means here maybe husband or maybe wife. Leave it. Next one. Who has only one child? Here who qualifies? F. This F is having only one child. Child means here maybe son or maybe daughter. Leave it. A is the brother-in-law of F. Friends, here brother-in-law means here we are having 2 possibilities. One is spouse brother, otherwise sister's husband. Take one possibility, spouse brother. Now A is brother-in-law of F. Other possibility is sister's husband. Now take a D and F. These two are the couples. Next, for this couple here we are having one child. Now one possibility is what? Spouse brother, other one is what? Sister's husband. Take care, F is having one sister, the sister husband is here A. A is brother-in-law of F. Go for next point here. C is the father of A. Friends, here they given C, the C is father of A. In this case here, C is father of A. Now A and D both are siblings and now C is father of A. Go for next point here. E is the granddaughter of B and here they given E is the granddaughter of B. E is the granddaughter of B. So here B first generation, next second generation gap, next one third generation. Now take here E is the granddaughter of B. That means I will take this one is here E. Now I will take this one is here B. I will take C and B both are couples. Now in this case E is the granddaughter of B. Now this one is here E. I will take here C and B both are couples and once if you are going to observe here we are having couple, here also we are having couple, here also we are having couple. That means we are going to get total 3 couples, but our requirement is for 2 couple, this one no chance. Now here one couple, here one couple. Yes, leave it. So E is the granddaughter of B who has only 2 sons. Here who qualifies here? B. B is having only 2 sons. One is A, other one is here D. So this is the given entire information. Now take the question. Question is, what is the relation of A with respect to E? Relation of A with respect to E and E father is D, D brother is here A. So father brother is uncle. So answer is option B. So friends, here answer is option B. And next, take next question. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So here the again question is, how many male members are there in the family? Friends, once if you are going to observe here, C is a male, D is a male, A is a male. D and F both are couples. D plus means F is minus. So how many male members are there here? 3 male members. So answer is 3 members. Option C is the answer. Next, take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. Here the again question is, who among is the following is the grandfather of E? Friends, for E here, E grandfather is here, C. So answer is option A. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So here the again question is from coding and decoding only. Friends, remember, especially if they given the Chinese coding, don't solve line by line. Directly take the question and then check the codes and. So here question is, how is mind written in that code language? Once check here, mind is present in which lines? Friends, here we are having mind, here also we are having mind. Third line, fourth line common information is mind. Now, third line, fourth line common code is. Friends, here we are having MA, here also we are having MA. Next, remaining lines MA, not there. Next one, PZ, here we are having PZ, here we are having PZ. Next one is here we are having DH, here DH, here DH. DH no chance to take. Next one is GA, GA no chance to take. That means here there is chance to take two codes only. One is MA, other one is for PZ. So answer is MA or PZ. Either MA or PZ means here simple answer is for cannot be determined. Option D is the answer. Next, take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So take here given question. What will be the possible code for bright and clear in the given code language? Friends, one subject here, bright is present in which lines and? So here we are having bright. Next, here also we are having bright. Now first line, second line common information is bright. Now common code is empty, not there. LA is there. Here also we are having LA. GA not there. PA. Friends, here we are having PA. Next, here also we are having PA. One subject here PA is present in remaining lines, not there. That means what the code for bright means here, LA chance or PA also chance. Next one, and. One subject here and is present in which lines? Here we are having and, here also we are having and. So in these two lines common information is and, common codes are LA, PA. That means for bright and, what are the codes means? LA, PA. Bright code is maybe LA or maybe PA, and code is maybe LA or maybe PA. Next one is clear. One subject here clear is present in which lines? Here we are having clear and. Now, so clear is present in only third line. So in third line only information is clear. Now only code is eliminate the common codes. DH, DH. Next one PZ. Next one PZ. MA. Next one is MI. So MA, MA. That means remaining is part MI. So answer is LA, PA, MI. LA, PA, MI. Friends, check LA, PA, MI. So answer is option C. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So here the given question is, in the given code language, what does the code NI stands for? One subject here NI is present in which lines? Here NI is present in only second line. So in second line only code is NI, then only information is. Eliminate the common information and bright next one is here mind eliminated. That means here only information is fresh, only code is NI. So answer is fresh. Option A is the answer. Take the next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So take your given question. How is thoughts written in that code language? Once check here, thought is present in which lines? Here we are having thoughts. Next here also we are having thoughts. Now third line, fourth line common information is thought. Now common code is. Friends, take here. Here we are having DH. Here DH, but here also DH is there. But here thought is not there. So for DH, no chance to take. Next one. Here we are having PZ. Here also we are having PZ. PZ is present in remaining lines? No. That means for PZ there is chance to take. Next one, MA. Here we are having MA, here MA. Remaining lines MA is not there. That means here MA also chance. That means simple answer is for PZ or MA. Either PZ or MA. So answer is option D. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. Here the again question is, in the given code language, what does the code GA stands for? Once observe here GA is present in which lines? Friends, here we are having GA, here also we are having GA. First line, last line common in code is GA, then common information is first line and last line. So friends, here we are having bright, not there, and not there. Next one, intellectual. Here we are having intellectual, here also we are having intellectual. So simple answer is for intellectual. That means your answer is option A. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So here the again question is, if it is possible to make a meaningful word using second, fourth and sixth letters of the word here, unilateral. Friends, take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next one is here 10. By using second letter is here N. Next one is for fourth letter is here L. Sixth letter is here T. So by using N, L and T, if you can able to frame meaningful word, then which letter is third letter from left hand of the word does form. So if you can able to frame meaningful word from left hand, third letter is the answer. If no such word can be formed, then mark X as your answer. If more than one word can be formed, then mark answer as Z. Friend, this type of questions are completely based upon your English hand. So by using these three letters, we can able to frame any word. NLT, no, we can't able to frame any word. Then if you can't able to frame any word means meaningful word, then simple answer is for X. X means your answer is option D. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. If 2 is subtracted from each odd digit, friends, if it is a odd digit means then minus 2. Next one is 1 is added to the each even digit. If it is a even digit means here 1. Then how many digits will not appear twice in the new number so formed? So in the given number, 2 is subtracted from odd digit. If it is a odd digit means minus 2, even digit means plus 1. Now take a 3. 3 is a odd digit, minus 2, then 1. 4 even digit, plus 1, here 5. 8 plus 1, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. 7 odd digit, minus 2, here 5. 9 odd digit, minus 2, here 7. 5 odd digit, minus 2, 3. 6 even digit, then plus 1, 7. Question is, how many digits will not appear twice in? So here 7 appeared here twice, no chance. 3 appeared here twice. Next 5 appeared here twice. 1 and 9. These two digits here appeared only once. So answer is here both 1 and 9. So answer is option B. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. If all the even value digits of the number 746238, next 945 are increased by 1. Friends, if it is a even digits, then plus 1. And all the odd value digits are increasing by minus 1. If it is a odd means here minus 1, then what will be the sum of fourth digit from right hand and fourth digit from left hand? So friends, if even digit means plus 1, odd digit means minus 1 hand. But don't convert entire given numbers. Our requirement is only 2 numbers. 1 is what? Sum of the fourth digit from the right hand. From right hand, fourth one is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth one is what? 8. 8 is a even, then plus 1, 9. Next one, fourth digit from left. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one here, 2. 2 is a even, then plus 1 here, 3. Now sum of 3 and 9. 3 plus 9 is what? Here, 12. That means your answer is option E. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So friends, take your given question. Which are the following element is 6th to the left of 14th element from left hand in the above arrangement? 6th to the left, 14th from the left. Here both are same. If both are same, is subtract. 14 minus 6 is what? 8. Question is ending with left hand, that means here 8th from left hand. So from left hand 8th letter, by default this one is left hand, this one is right hand. So from left hand 8th letter is what? 3, 6, 7, 8th one is what? M. So answer is option D. Take your next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So take your given one. If all the symbols are dropped from the above series. Friends, here the given one is if all the symbols are dropped. Next, which element will be the 12th from right hand? So from right hand here 12th one and. So friends, remember, if symbols are deleted, if the given question means don't delete, then count remaining. If symbols are deleted means we are going to count remaining element. That means we are going to count here letters and numbers 12th from right hand. Now take your right hand. So symbols are deleted. Now 1, 2, 3. Next one is here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12th one is part Y. So here Y is the answer, means here answer is option D. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So take your given question. How many such numbers are there in the given series? Friends, here they are talking about numbers, and take here numbers in the above series which are immediately preceding. Preceding means before. So before by a symbol and preceding by here symbol, next, and immediately followed. Followed means here after. After by here letter, and after by letter. So number which is immediately preceding by symbol, immediately followed by letter. That means symbol, number, letter, and. Now take here. Symbol, number, letter, no chance. Symbol, number, letter, no chance. Next, symbol, number, letter, no chance. Next, symbol, number, no. Symbol, number, no. Next, symbol, letter, no. Symbol, next, number, next one is what? Here, letter. Next one. That means here we are having only one parent. That means your answer is option B, 1. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So take your given question. How many such letters are there in the given series? Friends, take here. They are talking about letters. Next, which are immediately preceding. Preceding means what? Before. Before by a number. Before by a number. And immediately followed. Followed means after. After by a here symbol, and. That means your sequence is what? Number, letter, symbol. So friends, take here. Number, no. Number, letter, no. Next, number, no. Number, symbol, no. Next one, number, no. Number, no. Next, number, next one, letter, here, letter, no chance. Why means number, letter, symbol, and. Next one, number, no. Number, symbol, no. Next one is what? Number. Next one is letter. Next one again letter. No. Next one number. Next one is for letter. Next one is for symbol. That means here we are having only one pair. So one pair means here answer is 1. Option A is the answer. Take next question. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. Take your given question, find the odd one out. So out of given 5 options, 4 are same, 1 is different. Which one is the different? Take here n 6 4. Friends, here n and 6, here forward here we are having 3 elements gap. Next 4. So n and 4 here backward here we are having 2 elements gap. Next d 8 6. D and 8 forward here we are having 3 elements gap. D and 6 backward here we are having 2 elements gap. Y percentage 8. So y and percentage forward 3 elements gap. Next one here. Next y and 8. Y and 8 means backward 2 elements gap. Next one R21. Friends, R and 2 forward here we are having 3 elements gap. Next one here R2. Next one is for R and 1. So R and 1 means here backward here we are having 2 elements gap. So first one is R22 forward 3 elements gap. R21 backward 2 elements gap. Next 8EL. Friends, once if you are going to observe here 8EL and take here. Friends, take here 8. If you are going to take here 8 and E. 8 and E here backward here we are having 3 elements gap. Next 8 and L here forward here we are having 2 elements gap. So once if you are going to observe here each and every option, first element to second element forward end, but here we are having backward. So which are the following is different one? Option E is the different one. Your time starts now. Yes, time up. So take your given statement. F greater than or equal to n, n equal to O, greater than P, less than or equal to K, greater than T. Take conclusion number 1. Here our relation is between K and F. Between K and F, what are the symbols here? Greater than or equal to, greater than, less than or equal to. Greater than, less than or equal to both are opposite, so can't say. Next one, n and k. Between n and k, what are the symbols here? Equal to, greater than, less than or equal to. Again here both are opposite, so this one also can't say. So simply answer is neither nor. Option D is the answer.